Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into the topic: how to add your Netflix account on another phone in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your device, sharing with family, or just want to stream on the go, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Netflix app installed on your new phone. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and search for Netflix. Download and open it if you haven't already. This is crucial because Netflix updates frequently, especially in 2025, to include new features like enhanced security and better profile syncing. Once the app is open, you'll see a sign-in screen. Enter the email address and password associated with your Netflix account. If you're using a shared account, double-check that you're logging in with the correct credentials to avoid any mix-ups. Pro tip: if you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is common for security reasons in 2025, you'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter that to proceed. After signing in, Netflix might prompt you to add or transfer profiles from your original device. This is a new feature in 2025 that makes switching seamless. Select the profiles you want to bring over, and voila, they'll sync automatically. If you're hitting any limits on how many devices you can use, don't panic. Netflix allows a certain number per account, so check your subscription plan and consider upgrading if needed. Now that everything's set up, you can start browsing and streaming your favorite shows and movies right away. Remember, for the best experience, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid buffering. If you run into any issues, like the app crashing or login errors, try restarting your phone or clearing the app cache. It's a quick fix that often works wonders. There you have it, folks. Adding your Netflix account to another phone in 2025 is straightforward and hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to videos, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.